Hello, it's me, Joshua Hamlin again, and I'm here with another useful plant. I'm sure you've noticed as the fall turns into winter, I've been doing a lot less useful plant videos. That's because most of the plants are dead, or their leaves are falling off them. They're hard to recognize. I mean, look at these trees here. There's no leaves on them, so they're hard to recognize. But this plant that I'm going to do a useful plant video on, I use it continuously because I make and sell these cute little baskets, you know, and I make them out of this plant. This is Wintercreeper. Hold on one second. Let me get this camera adjusted. It's right here. This is called Wintercreeper. It is actually a euonymus. This is it here too, growing up this tree. And it's an evergreen. It stays green all year. It's an invasive species. It's burdensome because it strangles and kills native wildlife. Just look how look at the ground. Everywhere I look, it's covered in it. And natural plants or native wildlife that would be here is strangled out by this vine. It was brought here as a landscaping plant from Asia as a ground cover, and it makes great ground cover in landscaping. I've been a landscaper most of my life. I gave it up when I started getting old. But it makes a great landscaping ground cover in beds. You know, it stops weeds from coming up by strangling them out. Gives a nice, nice green blanket look. I love this plant, even though it's invasive and it's killing native species. I love it because it just looks beautiful. It makes a blanket over everything, and that's really pretty. But I make baskets out of it. There's not been a lot of chemical testing on this plant. It's presumed poisonous. I personally presume everything that I don't know what is poisonous. But scientists also presume this is poisonous, as a lot of the relatives of it are. It's not deadly for sure, but the difference between poison and medicine sometimes is just dosage. Like atropine and belladonna or whatever. It's deadly heart poison, but it's also a life-saving heart medicine. The only difference is dosage. So, unfortunately, there's not been a lot of chemical testing on this plant, and hopefully, we can get that done pretty soon. There's so many untested plants out there, and there's, not very many people working on them. So, but this is it. This is the useful plant of the day. Wintercreeper, euonymus. What is it useful for? Making baskets. This is some that I gathered already. I've been sitting here gathering it. I just gather it up and wrap it up in these little wreaths, and then take it to the city and sell these cute little baskets to walker-bys. That's how I make a little spending cash. But the baskets are cool because this is an evergreen plant. It stays green all year, and it stays green when they're dead. This basket I made last week, it's dry, but it's green, and it'll stay green for about a year. This one I made last night, so it's still fresh, and you can see it still has leaves inside of it. Useful plant. Wintercreeper, euonymus. Thanks for watching.